All right, y'all. I am here with my youngest, Eli. So I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. And right, you hope they had a good Thanksgiving?
Yeah, I hope they had a good Thanksgiving.
Oh, good. So welcome to my channel for all you new subscribers, because I'm pretty sure I clickbaited you big time on this video thumbnail. Most likely I did. And the reason why I did that was so you can watch the video. And I'm not gonna be offering any tutorials per se or templates in this video, but what I do wanna do is talk about my vision, my plan.
Can I say one of the things?
You can say whatever you want.
So, my father, he has...
Hold on, you got talking to the mic.
My father, he has these patterns, and these patterns are used to build, you know, the briefcases.
Oh, let's show them.
Yeah, like this.
Briefcases.
Like the length and, you know, the width, and like where things connect, and these rivets and everything, and screws.
Oh, I'll show you, hold on. I'll show you close-ups of all these things here in a second, but go ahead.
Yeah, and he's gonna be putting those patterns on your website, right?
Yeah, so that's the idea. The idea is, I really don't sell many of these briefcases. It's really, I'd have to charge a lot of money to sell it. But what I'm thinking about doing, this is something I thought about for a long time, and I actually think I'm gonna pull a trigger. So this is not a guarantee what I'm gonna do, but maybe I can get your input, is I wanna create how-tos, like hands-on how-tos, as well as templates. Of course, I'm gonna sell it for money. So that's the part I'm trying to figure out is, what up? So that's the part I'm trying to figure out. Do I put the how-to videos for free on YouTube and then sell the templates? To me, that's how most people are doing it, is they just put the how-tos, showing people how to actually put these templates together, but don't give them the actual dimensions. They'll just refer them to, or send them to their template link to buy it. So, you know, because I'm in the business of making money, right?
Yeah, they're gonna buy the templates, that stuff?
No. So that's the other thing. My hold on, no, don't show them that. That's a secret.
I know, but they won't like. They won't pause the video and like it.
You'd be surprised. There's pausers out there. So, yeah. So that's what I'm thinking about doing, and this is gonna be for everything I offer. I am a little bit of a one-trick pony, to be honest with you. Say one-trick pony.
One-trick pony.
Where I don't have that many variations of bags. For example, this briefcase here is basically the same thing as my tote bag without the flap. All right, same thing. This is an executive tote bag for women. I'll show you a couple of these things, but there's a lot of different variations. But if you guys notice, I have my own style. It's kind of chunky. This is a clutch. This is a new prototype. I'm still waiting for that to come in. But this comes with the brass.
The chain.
Say chain.
Chain.
Yep, little minimalist wallets. So everything that I offer in my shop, especially, I started this career doing firefighter stuff, right? When I say career, I mean hobby is expensive, that costs me money, but it's basically a wash at this point. That's why I'm trying to make more money. But it's teaching these kids work ethic and stuff, so that's worth every penny, right? Am I boring you right now? Am I boring you right now? Wow. So,
no, you're not.
This is my own, but what I want to end up doing is making, like I said, how-to videos and templates for firefighter radio straps. I'll do close-ups of all this here in a second. My suspenders, my firefighter suspender jobs.
I don't think they can see that.
No, they can't, you're right. We'll do close-ups and I'll do overlay here in a little bit. My firefighter chin straps, firefighter glove straps, legit templates for everything that I offer in my shop. Well, I don't offer, but everything that you see me build on this channel. So I need to come up with pricing and how to actually implement this idea. Yeah, so maybe your input is needed. And for all the new subscribers that I got recently, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for joining the YouTube channel. Say thank you for joining.
Thank you for joining.
What, that went in your mouth? Look, you can see there's liquid on there. Yo.
You probably have a problem with my saliva?
Yo, I do, bro. Anyway, so Thank you for all the new subscribers and everybody that commented. I got popped for mandatory overtime yesterday, so today's the only day I get to hang out with the kids. We're gonna go to hang out with my in-laws soon. So I just wanna get this video out of the way. Just your input, your thoughts, and for all you guys that got caught with the clickbait, I'm sorry, but let me know your thoughts as well. And yep, now I gotta take video of all these things so I can put it on the overlay. That's all I got for you guys. All right, let's do overlays.
What's overlays?
To show them everything I said. Bye.